Hey, thanks for tuning in to Fishing in 3D. I've had some questions on my website about my 3D printed reel holders and what will they hold. So I just thought I'd show you my wall and kind of give you an idea of what I have hanging right now, which is Zebco's, which the grandkids normally use those. I got some low profiles. These are the Ambassador series. These are the older ones I don't use anymore. They still work fine, but I've gone more to the low profiles. And then also too, I use quite a few of the spinning reels when it comes to crappies and stuff. These are the smaller reels, but it will hold the larger ones also. And then down here, you can also see that I have other rods and reels. These are the ones that I use quite a bit. But getting back to the reel holder right here, it just takes 2 screws, mounts directly onto your wall, like right there. Easy peasy. And they do also come, if I can pick these up without dropping them, they also come in different colors, and they also come with the hardware. You can find these on eBay, Etsy, or my personal website, which is fishingin3d.com, where there's free shipping. I do have most of these in stock, so get your orders in. Let's go.